Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a 5.8 GHz powerhouse that is this VTX here that outputs 37 dB of gain. That's 5 watts. And right now you could hear the fan is really loud, but it's really necessary to cool down the heatsink here. And at the back you have the nice carbon fiber for mounting. I could mount it using a Velcro. It's actually from this device here, and you could see the circuit that looks exactly the same inside. It's the same circuit. Yeah, this is a power amplifier for 5.8 GHz. I've featured this before in my previous video where I tried to increase the output power of the Fat Sharp Bite system. Check out that video, link in the video description below. But in this video we're going to focus on getting this board out and turning it into this baby here, and we'll use it for analog FPV. Now let me show you some power measurements right off the bat from the output port here. Here I hooked up everything to test the 4 watts amplifier output power. It's connected to the 200 milliwatts VTX, and here it goes through a 30 dB attenuator in order to protect my RF meter. Now let's turn on the power to the VTX and see how much power we are getting from this amplifier. $35 dB. Well, 35 dB is close to 3.2 watts, so that's not too bad for the output power of the 4 watts amplifier. And if you're wondering about the accuracy of this RF meter, now I've hooked up the 200 milliwatts VTX directly to it, and instead of the 30 dB attenuator, I've put in a 20 dB attenuator here, and I've changed the offset to 20. Now let me fire up the VTX and see how much output power we're getting from this VTX. It's 22.3 dB, that's about 170 milliwatts of power. So you're seeing an increase of 170 milliwatts to close to 3.2 watts using the amplifier. Now let's check out the weight savings. The original amplifier weighs 176 grams, and our VTX amplifier here is 62 grams. Alright, time for a quick test. I'm powering up the amplifier and the VTX together using this 3S LiPo pack. Yep, it works. Look at that. Success. Now we're going to bring it out to do the proper range test. Now there was a quick range test of the 3.3 watts VTX contraption here against the DJI digital FPV system. To keep the parameters fair, I'm using the same bi-quad PCB antenna as I was using in the previous test on the DJI system. From the test, we could conclude that the analog system outperformed the DJI system in terms of range. We got slightly further beyond line of sight as seen in the video. However, the DJI digital FPV system is definitely more impressive because at 700 milliwatts, it has such a high quality video and an amazing range. Nevertheless, I'm happy with this analog system that I've got here. I'm going to use it on a ground vehicle like an RC car, and definitely it will match up to the range and penetration of the DJI digital FPV unit at a fraction of the cost. That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.